I can't believe they're going to make me pay a tax on this fucking can of soda.
Dude, they totally should tax soda. We are so fat in this country.
Yeah, I guess the food stamp program worked a little too well.
What are you talking about?
Let me see if I got this right. The federal government takes money out of my paycheck in the form of taxes.
Yeah,
Some of these taxes then go to pay subsidies to farmers in Iowa, so they will grow corn.
okay.
This creates a glut of corn in the market. This is why high fructose corn syrup is cheaper than sugar. The only problem is, high fructose corn syrup is not as sweet as sugar. So, soda makers put more of it in soda, and as a result, soda now has more calories in it today than it did 30 years ago.
Yeah, man. Soda is like bad for you and stuff.
So don't drink it.
But kids are going to drink it, man.
Well then, take away the corn subsidies and the cost of soda will rise on its own. Then you won't have to tax it. And then you can give me back more money in my paycheck.
But we need that money for health care.
Why?
Like I said, kids today are too fat.
So, the government subsidizes food stamps and sugar water, and the remedy isn't kill the subsidies that make us fat. Instead, tax the soda and tax everyone for free health care.
Look. Maybe you don't understand this, because you're just a fireman. I went to college and took a class on this.
I went to college.
What school did you go to?
The School of Hard Knocks.
Never heard of it.
I know. What's the matter with you? Why are you dressed like that? What are you, a grown-up clown?
What are you talking about? I always dress like this.
On your way to work?
No, man. I ain't got a job.
There's a surprise. No wonder you want free health care. I guess when you get free healthcare you'll be motivated to get a job then.
I doubt it.
I doubt it too. When the cost of something is free, even if it's only perceived to be free, demand for that good or service will become unlimited. Let's take the can of soda you want to tax. You want to tax it, so people will buy less of it. Right?
I guess so.
What if the cost of soda went to zero? How long would that display case be full of soda?
Not long, I guess.
Do you think the shopkeeper could ever keep up with the demand for free soda? Or do you think he'll run out of it? That's why the idea that healthcare can be free is a crock of shit.
What's a crock of shit? Don't you want people to have health care? Chris Matthews is right. You're racist.
You're a crock of shit, grown-up clown boy. Chris Matthews keeps saying that the government will bring down the cost of health care.
It will.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will. The government will make the health insurance companies more competitive.
How?
Because the government will, compete against the healthcare companies.
No, it won't. How can a company compete against the government when the government can just print up more money to pay its debts? Then turn around and run up more debt and tell people that healthcare is free.
It will be free.
How can anything be free? Someone has to pay for it. Who's going to pay the doctors and nurses and hospitals?
Bush lied, and people died.